आप सब welcome back to any video. So guys, our today's topic is that how can we learn English in 90 days. So yeah, today I'm gonna tell you some tips and tricks that so you can follow them and learn English and be fluent and confident while speaking. Okay, now let's start the video. And before starting, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share this video. So let's start and see what are the tricks and tips I am telling you, and please do follow them. So guys, today I'm not gonna tell you that you have to practice this and this and this. Like, yeah, I'm gonna tell you that, but I'm not gonna say that you have to practice this thing for 20 minutes, you have to practice this for 30 minutes, because I know that time management is not same for all of us. And some people may say that मुझे तो बस 10 मिनट का टाइम मिलता है, मैं तो बिजी हूँ, मुझे तो इतना टाइम ही नहीं मिल पाता है, मैं ये अकेले कैसे करूँ. So I'm not gonna say that you have to do this for this particular time period. It's up to you that आपका टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसा है एंड आप उस चीज़ में कितना इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हो, उस हिसाब से आपको फिर प्रैक्टिस करनी है. You have to practice according to yourself. Of course, if I'm gonna say something, you are like, if you don't want to do it, you won't do it, because it's all up to you. I'm not gonna force you, I'm not gonna do something to you or like that. So the time management is yours, number one. Second thing, you have a time management, and if you want to practice really, if you want to learn English, you have to practice, and there should be a proper time management in your routine. So first of all, you have to keep this practice thing in your daily routine and fix a time, like from 4:30 to 5 I will do practice, or else from at night 10 to 10:30 I will do practice, like something like this you have to do. And maximum half an hour is, like, if you do practice for half an hour daily, it is more than enough. Okay, I'm not saying it's enough, it's more than enough. And minimum, if you are doing, you have to do at least for 15 minutes. Like, you do reading, you do writing, or something like that you should do in that 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, so you can do this, and you have to spare time for your practicing. So guys, first of all, if you I will tell you that you have to learn a language which is there in your environment. Now you will say, हमारे यहाँ तो कोई इंग्लिश बोलता ही नहीं है, मेरे तो पेरेंट्स भी नहीं बोलते, मेरे टीचर्स नहीं बोलते, मेरे फ्रेंड्स नहीं बोलते, मेरे नेबर्स नहीं बोलते, मेरे साथ कोई ऐसा है ही नहीं जो फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलता है, मैं किसके साथ बात करूँ. So like, there are two types of environment for a person. First is external, like just now I told you that मेरे साथ कोई इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलता, मेरे साथ ये वो, तो जितने भी लोग हैं आपके आसपास, those people are your external environment. And there is a thing called internal environment, like your inside, like your brain, your soul, and that is your internal environment, like the environment which you are creating inside you. Like, if you are creating a environment in which you write your thoughts on a paper, or read something or something like that, which you do in your mind. Okay, like which you think in your mind, and all those things are your internal environment. So you have to build a good practicing theme in your internal environment. Yes, now I would like to suggest you some things so you can follow them, and you will gain interest, and you will surely learn English in some days. Like, some will learn in 30 days, some will learn in 2 months, some will learn in 3 months, or according to you, you will learn if you follow the tips. Okay, so first of all, usually we do the things which we should not do. Okay, like if I'm watching an English movie, I will dub it in Hindi as I'm so comfortable in Hindi. So I will choose Hindi language to watch the movie, or your any native language. Like, I'm so comfortable in Hindi. So I will choose Hindi language because I'm comfortable in it and I will understand the movie in it. But no, now just now I watched Anika Tiwari's video, the techniques video, like how to learn English in 90 days. So from tomorrow, if I will watch English movie, I will choose the one which is dubbed in English. Like if I'm watching a Spanish movie, okay, for example, Spanish movie. So I don't know how to speak Spanish, okay, I don't even know one word in Spanish. So I will choose the movie which is dubbed in English, a Spanish movie which is dubbed in English. Okay, usually we do that. Hindi is my native language, I should choose Hindi. Or Marathi is my native language, Punjabi is my native language, or something like that. I will choose the dubbed video, which is I will choose. Oh yes, sorry. So I will choose the video now, which is dubbed in English, and not the one which is dubbed in my comfort zone, like which is dubbed in my language, my native language. I will not choose that. I will choose the video which is dubbed in English, and for some days you have to sacrifice your favorite songs. Like nowadays, everyone is listening to English songs, and it is a good source of learning English. But if you are like me, and you just love some Hindi songs or some Punjabi songs or some Kannada songs or something like that, if you love any song like that, so you're not gonna learn the language. Like if I'm listening a Tamil song, so it's not like I will just learn Tamil. No, if I am not trying to understand it, I will never learn it. But if I choose English songs, like, yeah, I have to learn English, now I will listen to English songs. So, yes, I will try to understand the words and take a meaning from that. So, yes, if you try, you can. Okay, if there is a will, there is a way. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you like the video, and if you feel like my video is helping you and something like that, just like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.